Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your air cabin filter for a 2017 Toyota Corolla. It's fairly simple. What you're going to do is you're going to remove these tabs just so I can show you how to do it. Move this over. This is going to slide down and it's actually going to be right under here. It's going to go right in there. This is the old filter. As you can see, it needs to be replaced. This is the new one. So all you're going to do is slide it in. It goes easily into place. Just like that. Except it's making a liar out of me. There we go. Then you're just going to get the cap and snap it back in place. And that's it. You've just replaced your air cabin filter. Quick process, easy to do.